thinking you know your customer when you don't, that's the kiss of death when it comes to the performance of your marketing strategy. Stop building your strategy on sand. Last week, a $50 million in revenue CEO told me his biggest competitive advantage was knowing his customers and competitors better than anyone. 3 months later, he lost a 7-figure deal to a competitor he'd never heard of. The problem? His knowing was bias in disguise. You built your company on passion, but now that passion blinds you. It makes you wonderfully biased and beautifully subjective. You may dismiss negative feedback as outliers, and you may treat sales stories as market research. And your marketing plan is built on that bias, which is why it's underperforming. The antidote is simple: objective market research. Because thinking you know your customer when you don't, that's the kiss of death when it comes to the performance of your marketing strategy. If you want to outpace all of your competitors, stop building your strategy on sand. Get grounded in deep customer insights.